Good morning. I just wanted to take a few moments of your time to let you know that I found this great product that I think would work perfect for you. If you are like me and you have missing teeth and you hate to smile because of that, have I got a product for you. It's called Pop On Veneers. What you do is you send away for the kit, they send you the molds, and then you send them back in the postage paid box, and within 2 weeks you have a veneer, and all you have to do is did you hear that? I have my smile back and I am so excited about it. Think about it. It's really worth it, and it's so good for your self-esteem. I hope you all have a great day. Remember, pop on veneers. Look how natural they look, and they're so cool.